What's up, guys? I'm back with a new video, and well, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Well, I was trying to tell you that you can go to right here. I created a new group. Click Shift CONNER, Shift minus, which is underscore, Shift P LAYZ. Click groups. Once you click that, there's only going to be this. You're going to click this and then you're going to join. Once you join my group, I'll gladly appreciate it. I got Robux today. My ear hurts. Well, I'm gonna wear these. These are nice. Got these from school. Nice earbuds. Right now I got one member. But trust me, it's gonna turn to probably 1 million. I will try to make stuff in the store so you guys can buy. But that's gonna take me a little bit. Oh God. I'm still trying to figure out how to give people Robux. I want to know how. I want to give all of you Robux. If like I win 1 million Robux, which it won't be probably until next year, because I want to enter this right here. Once you go on the Roblox page, click this, RB Battle Tournament. 2 people won. Here's last year's defending champion, Creekcraft. The 2 competitors are already here, and 2 of them won. Right here, Dennis has won against Kyle and Kian. He got 30,000 Robux, and he's moving on to the semifinals. Creekcraft, the last year's defending champion, is going on to the semifinals. The next one will be here. Big BST 4TZ2 versus Ruggy. Now you're going to be surprised of who other people are going to be competing. This is my favorite guy. Favorite 2 YouTubers. The 2 best YouTubers that I love. Preston Games and Brianna Games. Now I want to enter this. I'm gonna guess that Ruggy is gonna win this one, and Preston Games is probably gonna win. And the defending champion will win 1 million Robux. And if they get all the badges from all the games and find all the swords will unlock the final game. And then after that, once they get all the badges, they will go to the wing room, where when they retrieve all their badges, they will retrieve the Wings of Honor. The Winner Wings of Honor. Now, if you... never mind. Now, in any of these games, the swords could be hidden. Any of these games. I've already checked this one. This one, no, I don't like Ronald, and they're already done. I know one of them has to be in this one. But yeah, this video is only for the group thing, but if you want to see that too, there you go. If you want to create a YouTube video yourself, go to the link in the description. Now, I will see you guys next time. Goodbye!